Hey guys, I got a little experiment for you to try to see if your supplements you're using, especially your vitamin, if you're actually absorbing it. Okay, are you taking it in and just pooping it out? Okay, because your body isn't breaking it down, assimilating it, and it's not your body's fault; it's the fault of your vitamin. Okay, so mine are timed release, so that when you take it, especially if you take it first thing in the morning, like you're supposed to with breakfast, you'll actually absorb over 90% of it. Worth most of them out there, you're lucky if you will absorb 5% of it. No kidding. Hey, anyway, here's what you do. Take your vitamin and just take a glass of water that's just room temperature, okay? And what you're going to do, you can see on this here, it's 9:42. It'll be almost 9:43. Take your vitamin and drop it in that water, okay? And then you time it for 1 hour and you see if it breaks down. If your vitamin does not break down, guess what? It's not breaking down in you, and it's just running through your digestive system, and you're pooping it out without absorbing it. So basically, it's a waste of money. Anyway, right now it's 9:43, so at 10:43, we'll come back and we'll take a look at the vitamin here, my Bodyguard, and we'll see if it breaks down or not within that hour, okay? Let's check this out. Okay, so I'm back here again. It's 10:44. Kind of almost missed it. I think we started at 9:43 or 44. And I'm taking a look at this. You can see it's probably mostly all dissolved. Sometimes you have a little bit of some of the minerals in there. Anyway, but that's what you look for in your vitamin. Is it breaking down or isn't it? A lot of them, they just don't break down, so you poop them out. And you don't want that. And remember, if you're taking a vitamin mineral supplement, take it first thing in the morning with your breakfast. And you do that because breakfast is break fast, breaking from a fast. And that morning meal is the one that your body will most absorb. Anyway, you want to try mine, you can get a hold of me via Facebook or go to my site, worldsgreatestvitamin.net. And you'd see mine comes with multivitamin, mineral, organic, green supplements. You got a 3-month supply there, and it is timed released. Thanks for watching. Please share. Have a great day and a healthy one.